Hi guys. Tomorrow in the afternoon for lunch we will be making Sabudana. In English it is called Tapioca Sago. Tapioca. Tapioca Sago. Okay. It is made of some starch or something, and this is how it looks, in white in color. It is available in many supermarkets and also Indian groceries, of course. So tonight I will have to wash it with water and soak it in the water for overnight, so it will be all ready to cook for lunch. So it is 2 cups, goes in a big bowl like this. So sabudana are washed and soaked now. I will keep it overnight to get soaked in the water, and I'll show you what happens in the morning, and also I'll show you the recipe. Hi friends, I showed you how I soaked sabudana, which is Tapioca Sago, it's called in English. I never knew. I checked on Wikipedia and Sabudana is called Tapioca Sago. It's available in Indian grocery stores easily. So I soaked it overnight, and this is how it becomes. Yeah. So for that we will need ingredients again: cumin seeds, curry leaves, ginger paste, green chili. This is about 4 green chilies. I crushed it, roasted and grinded peanuts, about 1 potato. I have chopped it like this, made it small pieces. Fresh coriander, I have chopped it again, and now I'll start cooking it. So this is a basic requirement for Sabudana Khichdi. Okay friends, so first we will have to cook these potatoes. So for that we have used 3 tablespoons of oil, and I usually use rapeseed oil, which is more healthy option. And once the oil is warm, I'll have to put all these masalas. Like, to start with cumin seeds, curry leaves, all of them. Ginger paste, and not all of green chili, maybe about 1 or 2 green chili goes in this. Green chili is all depends how much spicy you want to make. If kids are eating, then you can put less green chili. If you got adults are eating, and if you like hot and spicy, you can add more green chili. Let's saute it in oil. Once this is done, now time to add potatoes. There it goes. Boom. Now let's mix it properly. And sorry, I forgot to add some salt in it. Little bit of salt as per taste, but I prefer not to add more salt, so that's it. Half a tablespoon of salt or 1 pinch of salt, and that's it, done. I will cover it for about 4 to 5 minutes, and I'm sure potatoes will be baked properly, cooked properly. There it goes. Right guys, so we tried to cook potatoes for almost 4 minutes now, and we will see it looks beautiful. And yes, it's soft, potatoes are soft, so it's ready now. Now it is time to put water soaked sabudana, which was soaked overnight. It goes in here like this, and we will mix it well. Also at the same time we will add some salt. I didn't tell you salt in the beginning. Again, I will just a little bit. That's it, just a little bit. Because the salt was already there. Salt was already there in a potato, and also we will add this roasted, grinded peanuts. Nuts are healthy and it goes well in this khichdi. Sabudana and the whole description you will find what it is called in English. You will find more details in the description. I'll mix it well and make sure that sabudana should not break. Mix it gently. So to cook the potatoes, I left it on a slow flame. It wasn't medium, it wasn't high. In a slow flame, and even right now it is on a slow flame. And this will be cooked for another 2-3 minutes. We will do mix of slow and medium flame. And also we will garnish a bit of coriander on top. And some lemon. We will squeeze some lemon. I like it with tangy flavor. I like sour, vitamin C, and I'll mix it well again. And this is a perfect color for Sabudana Khichdi. I'm sure all Indian friends must be knowing what is Sabudana and what is Sabudana Khichdi. But all my English friends, trust me, it is the best vegetarian option. We eat this at least twice a month, and it turns out delicious, plus healthy. Kids loves it, and it can be cooked in less than 5 to 7 minutes. So no fuss, no dramas, easy recipe. And I'll cook this for another 2 minutes and it will be all done. So in this 2 minutes I was keeping the flame in medium, and also I used to change it to slow, and I think it's ready to serve now. If you want more spicy, you can add some more chili, but according to me it's fine. Kids are going to eat, so I don't want to make more chili, but if you like you can add more chilies, and it's all done. Thank you very much guys. Give me your comments how you like it. Yes, so Sabudana Khichdi is all cooked and ready to serve, so I will take it out in a bowl. And this is a healthy breakfast or a lunch or evening dinner as well. And you can garnish more coriander to add a taste and to add a color. Tell me guys how you like it. Thank you. Bye.